Okay, welcome back. This is the 9th video. One thing we can do here is over in your parts, so we've got two tabs now, the box and the lid. We of course can rename the tabs. That might make things a little easier, so I'm going to call that a box. Part Studio 2, I'll right click and rename and call it lid. And what you can do in the parts column here, I've shown you how to rename things over here by right clicking, but this time go down and go edit appearance and we can choose a colour, any of those colours. You can do that for the lid and the box, and once you're happy, tick. Just be aware, just because I've selected purple won't necessarily come out of the print, the 3D printer in purple. Only what's in the 3D printer will be the colour. Okay, we're going over to assembly. So this is more of an advanced option for you. The tabs down the bottom, we're going to go to the assembly tab. And we've got a blank workspace and nothing's there because we have to insert it. Notice that all the tools on the toolbar have changed, but what we're looking for is the insert tool. We're going to click that and we should see our two parts there, the box and the lid. Simply click on the box and I'll just zoom so it's smaller. I'm going to place this over on the right hand side by clicking and it's placed there. Now I'll select the lid, same thing. Don't try and put the lid in place because you'll never get it there properly. Just put it over here. Our two parts are in, so we can tick. We need to put these in place. We're going to use these things called mates, and for this one we're going to use what's called a slider mate. So select that tool. Now you may have noticed I've turned off the little orange circle around my mouse to make it easy for you to hopefully see what I'm doing. Now we have to select two faces. Notice when you hover over your shape you get that little disc. Okay, I'm just going to zoom in on this edge. Now on this face, the front face, I want to go up to the midpoint of that line. Now I'll try and explain as best I can, but that disc, notice if I'm in the middle of that surface, the disc is kind of flat. We want the disc to stay flat up on that top edge. Once you're there, click. We've selected one mate. Now we need to do the same on the front of the lid. Same thing. Not the middle, but the edge. Make sure the disc stays flat. It'll sometimes want to jump on the edge, but the disc should be flat as if it's laying flat on that face. And click. It'll bring the two parts together like so. I'll move this thing out of the way. Now if for some reason it doesn't sit right, you can try clicking these two buttons here. It'll flip things around. Alright. Anyway, get it back so it's sitting in place and then tick. We'll have to close. It'll jump to slider 2. We don't want that, so we cancel. And there we go. We've got our parts in place.